Hi everyone, this is Peter at Dakota Plains with your June 18th market update. The grains were higher across the board today. It looks like corn closed up 20, soybeans closed up 8, and winter wheat closed up 20. A combination of disappointing weekend rains along with what the trade viewed as a positive outcome in the elections in Greece over the weekend enticed some money back into the grain markets today. Crop progress was out this afternoon and it showed a decline in both the corn and the soybean good to excellent ratings. The corn good to excellent rating dropped 3% from 66% last week to 63% this week, and the soybean good to excellent rating dropped 4% from 60% last week to 56% this week. The trade had been expecting a 2 to 3% decline in both the corn and the soybean good to excellent ratings. The winter wheat good to excellent rating was pegged at 54%, 1% better than last week's reading. It is interesting to note that at this time in 2005, the corn good to excellent rating was pegged at 62%, and the final yield ended up at 147.9 bushels per acre. At this time in 2008, the good to excellent rating on corn was pegged at 61%, and the final yield ended up at 153.9 bushels per acre. The outside markets were slightly weaker today as the yield on 10-year Spanish bonds surpassed the closely watched 7% mark, and they actually traded all the way up to 7.3% today. So hopefully everybody has a good evening, and we'll hope for a good day in the grains tomorrow. We'll talk to you later.